what do you think about the recent events that happened?
Nasty as fuck. I'm gonna throw the fuck up. There's somebody nasty. HIV having dookie breath. Nasty. Oh my god. I was going around asking for all these breath and see who did it. Make their ass drink that shit. Fucking nasty. I think you know pop. It's still in the bag. It's somebody nasty breath. Still having ass. Big nasty. Beer talk. Oh my god. I can't use this hand anymore. Like this hand, I'm gonna put a bag on this head and not use it. I'm so happy I.
Oh my goodness! And the person, the whole thing that I'm trying to say is,
and I smelled
the person is here. I smelled it too, and it makes me want to throw up.
I'm not this shit right here.
No,
it wasn't this. I think it is this. I'm putting the ice in. I'm putting a fucking ice in the bag. Just pop this shit. This for all of the shit. This top of the fucking the nastiest shit I ever did in my fucking life.
We didn't even do it. It happened to us and shit. We're recording a video. Okay, go ahead.
Excuse the room.
Actually, go back.
Excuse the motherfucker.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I don't want to use the camera more. Like,
I don't even. Oh, why the hell am I touching the camera? But look, I put dirt on it though.
your finger does.
Oh my god. Like every time I smell alcohol, I'm gonna think about this. You know what I'm saying? Like every time I think about beer, I'm gonna think about this. Like beer. Beer, you know what I'm saying? I don't even want to drink. I don't even drink, but I don't think I want to drink anymore. I don't even want to fucking drink no more.
I can't even swallow my own fucking spit in my mouth.
I know, right? I don't even want it. I don't even like mucus. Like I don't like it before, but this is nasty. There go my fucking bus now. No, that's not it. Is it?
I'll let you know.
It is.